Browse and buy courses. To browse and purchase courses, click the Courses button. Click Buy Now to proceed with your purchase. Before buying, you can review the course description for more details. To buy a course, you'll need an account. If you already have one, log in first. Otherwise, you can create a new account while completing your purchase. You can choose from several payment options, including direct bank or wire transfer, which is recommended for Malaysian buyers. Alternatively, you can pay using a debit card, credit card, or PayPal. Once your payment is submitted, it will be verified by the merchant within 24 hours. After verification, your course access will be granted. If you do not receive access within 24 hours, please contact us by email at admin@mushroomedu.com.